County, South Central Tuscarawas County, until 6 p.m. At 5:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm located 8 miles northwest of New Concord, or 12 miles northeast of Zanesville, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact,
what the heck?
expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Cambridge, New Cooperstown, New Concord, Old Washington,
no time to open up IM-bot.
Norwich, Bridgeville, Otsego, Bowdoin, Birmingham, Salford,
where's Wilmington? Where's Wilmington?
Bolton. Here are the 5 p.m. weather conditions.
That was completely unexpected.
International Airport, under partly sunny skies. The temperature was 65 degrees.
Pittsburgh.
And the relative humidity 70%. The wind west at 20 miles an hour.
Cleveland.
Gusting to 30. The barometric pressure was 29.80 inches and rising.
And
now the conditions for selected locations across Ohio. Reaching back to Airport partly sunny.
What's the other one?
In Delaware Fair and 64.
Charleston.
At Marion Fair,
okay.
62. In Lancaster,
so,
partly sunny.
As you guys can see, we just got a severe thunderstorm warning. What the poop was that?
Partly sunny, and 63. Down in Cincinnati Fair, and 66. And over in Dayton Fair.
So yeah, that scared me.
Once again at 5 p.m.
Shut up, 519. Why does it do that?
Under partly sunny skies. This is no weather.
Every time I go to change it, it never like saves.
Columbus, Ohio. Broadcasting on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz and serving Central Ohio, including Columbus and vicinity. This broadcast originates from the National.
Okay, whatever. I'll do it later.